Hello everybody, this is Pietro back with another presentation tip. How are you doing today? Today's tip is about keeping your presentations short and sweet, and further about the difference between a script intended for reading and a script intended for speaking. So welcome to tip number 3, keep it short and sweet. My friends, I want you to remember this very well. Brevity is the soul of wit, or the spice lies in brevity. And I can't even stress out enough how important that is. I mean, I know you are on stage or in front of a camera to speak, but the last thing that you want to do is to bore or to confuse or even to annoy your listeners, right? Well, if you talk too much, or if your script is not intended for speaking, then exactly that will happen. Trust me on that. I mean, I know how it is. You are on stage, you start talking, people start listening, and it feels good. And so you keep going because you enjoy the audience's full attention. And you keep talking because you can see their interested looking faces. And you keep speaking because they give you the feeling that you are doing it really well and that they would listen to you for hours and hours. And you can feel that everything that you say makes so much sense and gives them so much. And suddenly you know that they just can't stop listening to such a great speech and such a great presenter. And so you keep talking and speaking and talking and speaking and talking
and speaking and talking and speaking and talking and speaking and talking and speaking and talking and speaking and talking and speaking and talking and speaking.
Keep your presentations short and get to the heart of the matter as quickly as possible. Believe me, viewers and listeners will love you for that. A powerful way to achieve brevity is by optimizing your texts for speaking, as there is quite a difference between text written for reading and text written for speaking. Let me give you an example. Just look at the one hand at TV or radio news reports, and on the other hand at news articles on newspapers or news websites. I bet that the time it takes you to read a specific article is way longer than the duration of the TV or news report about the same matter. As the attention span for listening is usually a lot shorter than the attention span for reading, scripts intended for speaking are generally kept brief and simple. What does that mean for you? Write sentences that are easy to speak, easy to understand, and easy to remember. And please try to avoid nesting these sentences. Make it simple for yourself, make it simple for your listeners. And please keep in mind to write your scripts or to rewrite the scripts that you might get the way you would speak them, the way you would tell them. Don't worry, it's not that difficult. Just try. And this was tip number 3. Keep it short and sweet, or you will end up annoying your listeners. Let me know in the comments below what you think of it, and should you still prefer to hire a professional presenter? Here is what I have to offer. We will address today's topics in a lot. Tendenzi beschleunigen Entwicklungsprozesse. Vi ricordo i nostri hashtag per i vostri contributi de typologie completamente nuova et révolutionnaire. Cette année, nous avons un événement hybride. Thanks a lot for watching and see you next time.